Alright, we got another parts radio I'm going to sell here. I'm going to list this on my website. This is a Quad 5N2 long case. So, it has no faceplate. I don't know if it works or if it doesn't. Even if you put a new faceplate on, I can't tell you if it does or doesn't because I don't remember. I have so many of these broken Anytone radios, it's a joke. And that's why I quit selling them. So, I have no interest in selling their radios anymore, but somebody might need parts of a parts board, and here it is. So, you know, everything is here. The finals are all there. Everything is here, I believe. So, you know, there's no faceplate though. So this is all you're gonna get, and it'd be $30 for this complete board. Everything's here except for the face. I don't know if it works or if it doesn't, so that's up to somebody to figure out if they want to try to make it work. Say you got like a radio that the board is busted. It looks like the board's a little bit bent there too, so keep that in mind. But if you got a radio that you think your board is shot but your face works, you may be able to swap it out and put this on there, and you may have a working radio. Because I don't remember what's what with any of this stuff anymore, but I'll be slowly listing these for parts on my website. They'll be under the pre-owned equipment spot on the website. So this one will get listed up very soon here, and we'll just keep going from there with this stuff and try to get rid of it. I have covers for radios too. Some of them may be scratched a little bit, but you know, you're not going to be able to really find covers for these radios either. I have covers for Quad 6 Pros, and I have covers for probably some of these and some of the short case like these. I have some short case junk boards too. So I'll have some covers that I'll be listing whenever I get time. A little bit here, a little bit there kind of thing. And I won't make videos for everything, but just you watch one, you've kind of seen the spiel that I don't know if this stuff works anymore or whatever. It's just parts. But you know, you're not going to get parts from these guys. They're not going to send you parts. So, you know, if you think that you can make something work out of a couple junk radios, then more power to you. You could buy a couple of these junk boards and maybe have, between the time, you know, the shipping involved in it and stuff, you might spend $80-90, and you know, you could have a working radio for that. So, because your time is worth nothing to the right person. If you're paying somebody to do it, then yeah, probably it's not worth doing. But if you're going to do it yourself, then you invest like this, $30 with the shipping. Maybe it's like 50 or something. I don't know, and depending on where you are in the USA or whatever. But $50, and you put a new face on this, and it very well might work. And you might already have covers for it. You know, I'm not going to sell these with covers because it'd take too long to try to figure it all out. But I do have covers, and when I get rid of all these junk boards, then I'll start offering the covers. I think guys might be more prone to buy covers because they might have radios that, you know, they may have scratched their covers. And I don't think a lot of them are really that bad, because I'll be honest, a lot of these radios I got were new out of the box and they just didn't work for whatever reason. So, you know, and this very well could be one that the face was bad and the board actually works. I don't know. But I have no interest in these radios really anymore, so I'm not going to even try to mess with them. So I'd rather just try to sell them and let somebody else that likes them and thinks they can fix them or something go from there. So again, there you have it. It's a Quad 5N2 long case, parts or repair.